Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Lake Tahoe, guys, a local lake around my house. I'm going to be trying out the Mars PSM330. This is an inflatable boat from boats2go.com, which I believe is also manufactured by Saturn, which is a Korean company. And if you guys are interested in checking out the specs, I'm gonna put a link up here or maybe up here where I'll show you the unboxing, inflating it, and what it looks like, putting it together. And right now I have it paired with my Mercury 9.9 horsepower. This boat goes up to 15 horsepower, and but 9.9 for myself is more than plenty actually. And so I'm gonna go head out into the lake, get out of the idle area, and start catching up some speed and let you guys see what it looks like moving in the water. I also brought my drone, so I'm gonna shoot the drone in the air so you guys can also see how it looks like, give you a different perspective. So without any further ado, let's get right on it. Okay guys, I'm currently out of the wake only, idle area. Let's start accelerating. Here we go. There we go. We got plane. Woo! Here we go. Yeah. Very nice. It's a little bit of swells, but manageable. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how much real estate we have in this boat. There we go. Better angle of the camera. There's plenty of real estate. Fishing gear. Second person as well. Gasoline. Maybe even camping gear. You can go camping with this one, no doubt about it. All right. I'm waiting for the winds to calm down a little bit. It's a little bit windy right now. And then I shoot the drone. I was able to capture the aerial shots that I want, and I am very pleased. I actually captured that shot with the drone stationary in the air by mistake. I was like, oh snap, that looked pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative. I believe this boat, the PSM330, is currently on sale on boats2go.com. So pay him a visit, guys, and check him out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Later.